morning, South Africa and the world.
Yes, we are going to...
We're going to go and have a look at rhinos today.
Yes.
Hey, beautiful. Oh, look how beautiful he is. We are Cindy and Graham with Jaunti Vanlife. Come and join us.
Hulle is daar so. Kom laat jy vir my kom. Okay.
We built a camper van out of a Boxer 2004 Peugeot to travel weekends through South Africa. We still work, so it's now and again that we travel, but we do show you many different things about our lives. Please follow us, subscribe, and enjoy our vibes.
Oh, babes. Babes, just now you end up on your face, babes. Babes. I'm taking a video.
That's why I asked you to go and have a look at the back, because the reverse camera doesn't show that low down. So we want to try and get as close as we could, but it doesn't show because it's higher.
This is how close we parked. Do you like that? You said say when, and I said when. Stop.
And I stopped.
Exactly, so we parked fine. So you can go on a tour.
Really nice.
बंदा ना पीछे मुंह में पानी आ रहा है उसके ये मटन यहाँ का
I'm angry.
You're late.
Yeah.
अरे दीपिका इधर मम्मा और तेज से कोई
Look, he's looking, you can see through.
Oh, one here, right here. Look at skin. Look how they drink.
Another one. It's drinking.
There's a lot of area to walk around and view all the animals near the restaurant. There's a pool there for summer. There's bra areas to sit and bra at.
There's a little fox.
Foxholes.
Hello, fox. Okay, so we have sand roads here that we're on. Very nice.
Okay, so we have been in Jaunti for a little while. And this is it.
That one's a reed buck there. Oh, where's my finger? There. That's a reed buck. Oh, beautiful.
Now these two walking up here.
Wow. Yeah, and this is a blesbok. Blesbok. So cute. Ibises. Very beautiful. Beautiful.
Coming up.
So you can see the reed buck's bum. They got like a circle around their behind. Let's stick my finger there.
That's where they can poo out of. So they know where they must poo out.
Oh, but these are all wildebeest, but the reed buck. Oh, and there's another one there.
There's a whole lot of villies up there on the top as well. To your right.
Okay, but I can't
Sleeping.
see them. Oh, there's a buffalo. Oh, there's a buffalo. So here we have buffalo. Oh, look how beautiful they are. Look at those horns. Oh, wow. And so close to the road. I like that because my little camera doesn't go that far. Beautiful. It's
Really
absolutely...
nice park this, eh?
Yeah, it's gorgeous. We've seen animals as we've come in.
I feel that the animals are closer than at the lion park that we went to that time.
Yeah. So there's 4x4 trails. Our Jaunti can't go, but little cars can go on the 4x4, which is quite awesome.
There goes the feed in. Look at this one right here.
The muscles and the veins on the bum.
Look at this right here. Right here, how beautiful.
Female.
Babes, look how beautiful this is. She's right here. We could actually touch her. You know that?
In the sandstorm.
Oh, they're going right in front of the car. Oh, babes, look at this one right here. Oh, wow. And she's lying here.
Scored.
Yeah. She's lying right by the window here. No, babes, don't.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Maybe you must move so other people can. Oh, look here. She was looking here. Come look here, buddy. Look here. Oh, look at him. Oh, wow, babes, look at this. Oh, wow. We're at a distance, but all the wild dogs are up against that white car there. Maybe the dog weed on the car and they can smell it. Look at them. All against the car. Oh, that's so funny. Oh, wow, look at them.
They stopped picking now.
Oh, now that the other car, look there. They're rubbing their faces
Yes,
on
finished.
it. Are you getting that? Oh, good, babes. Oh, wow. Are you videoing?
So here's the white lions.
I'm not interested now. We've got to go and eat. Leave me. Okay, we've got half of Joburg up front here, and behind us, we like in the middle, we've got the whole of the East Rand following us here. So we're all going to jockey for positions here.
Yeah, we're jockeying because you can see it's bumpy on this road.
Yeah, very. But it's not bad.
Look at the rain coming over. So now we're going again.
I'm glad I got out there.
And did you get a good shot of
I've
them?
got a feed there.
Okay, good. Okay, we're on our way again. The wild dogs are still eating and carrying on here. And now we're going to the lions. Into the bush. Okay, my camera doesn't go very... Babes, your camera will do. Do you want to swap with me?
No.
Got a mommy and a baby Rhino. How's this? We didn't see the baby earlier. How beautiful.
This is different. This is a different scene.
Oh, wow. He's the little baby. Okay, you can stop, babes. Is there no car behind us? Oh, wow. Can you see it, babes? Oh, how cute. We got its bum to us. We enjoyed a lovely meal at the restaurant. Fresh salad, lovely.
Chris's food.
You can have a bra here, your own bra, so bring food at the restaurant area. We're sitting at the restaurant, Graham and myself, watching all the beautiful birds right above us in the tree. And then there's a pool over there far away, with the cars driving near there at the back of it. And there's a snake and reptile show going on there. We aren't going to that now. We're hungry. So yeah. You can spend the whole day here, huh? Well, actually we have been here the whole day. Okay, so this is like an ostrich hiding its head. The ultimate. So this is the cradle of humankind. Look how beautiful it is here when you ride around. You know, we've had a whole trip today and it's been like going away. Hey, Graham?
Yeah, it's been a beautiful day. The animals in that place. It's unbelievable what we saw there.
Yeah, okay. It's...
Loads of animals.
Hello?
You're an old man, eh?
Where's the babies? Hello, Das. Dassie. Dassie.
Eurasian lynx. Cool, eh? You look good, little man.
It's beautiful. This one. Look how beautiful they are.
Look at this stubby little tail.
Yeah. And that's normal for them, eh?
Yeah, it's a lynx. Oh, he's peeing on the other one.
It's like my territory, don't touch. Hello, baby.
Beautiful, eh?
Wow. I like that you can see them so close up. I know they say it's cruel, but we wouldn't get to see them.
Yeah, if you...
Oh, listen to that black one. Panther. It's like a black panther.
Gee, I can hear purring or what?
No, it's that black panther.
Oh. 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 Oh.
Shush, man.
Crazy. Like they do in a tree, eh?
Yeah.
Remember, they see them doing that in a tree. It's like a panther type thing.
That is a black panther. But I don't understand why it's with a leopard.
But it's not a normal.
Oh, black.
Not a panther, it's a black.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Wow.
It's mine. It's just more God territory.
Wow. That's like a big lion.
It is.
That would kill you in
This
the
is
bush.
a big boy.
He would kill you in the bush, this one.
This thing's got you.
Look at his face.
It's not as big as the lions we've seen, but
Yeah.
just
Oh,
similar.
look at those patterns on his body, babes.
Yeah.
Can you see them?
Yeah, it's like tortoiseshell on the back.
Wow, it's under the black.
Yeah. Hello.
It only sort of shines.
Hello.
Look, it
Oh,
does.
you're beautiful, eh?
Wow, look at that color underneath
Oh.
it.
You're thirsty. Mmm. Mmm. Enjoying your water. A nice drink, eh? Hmm.
Little Savelle.
Status least concern. But let's
There's a pygmy hippo. Oh, he's turning for us. That's
He's
good.
got like a little shaggy tail.
Yeah,
Friendly,
they call them pygmy hippos.
friendly.
Cute. Oh, he wants to bite the rock. Oh. Oh, there's a pig next to me as well. It's a person making that noise. Here's the rhino. What rhino is it? It's a stiff one. It's a stiff one.
For those who haven't seen rhinos.
Okay, and
He
a
has
lion.
A lion on attack mode.
Yeah.
Or crowd mode.
We have bush pigs again. Lekker bush pigs, lots of them. Rock. Okay. And there's one lying down there. Graham and I have been very impressed here. There's lots of animals. It's quite beautiful.
And they don't seem to be in bad condition. They're very happy here. They've got lots of food. And it's kind of it's winter, and they're all out and happy.
Yeah, beautiful. And we paid pensioner rates, 130 Rand each,
40.
140 Rand each. But look how beautiful he is. He's very close. How many meters away from us?
That is 25.
Yeah, it's just my camera doesn't pick it up well. He's too beautiful. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please give us a thumbs up, a like, subscribe, and join our vibe. We'll see you next Sunday. Bye. How's Graham? He's asking if we put the fish in the water. And they're saying they don't put the fish in the water for that stalk. But here's a baby wildebeest. Oh, look how cute it is.
Nice. You got a warm plate.
Hello? Hello?
Have you got a warm place to sleep at night?
Hello, beautiful. Look how it's looking. What is it looking at? I saw behind us.
Do you have a warm place to sleep?
Oh, wow, look at it.
Is your bed warm? Where's your bed?
Oh, wow.
Is it in there? You must get asked for electric heater.
Hello? Hello, beautiful. Hello, beautiful. Hello.